What's up, Slay Baes? Christopher J. Rich here, and we are doing a wig install video today. I got my girl Tree in the chair, and today we are installing this 40-inch Bussdown closure wig. The hair is from Molength Hair, and as you can see right here, I'm just putting her ball cap on. And the reason why I'm putting the ball cap on is because I do not want the glue to get onto her natural hair, so that's why we're installing a ball cap. So for my ball caps, I like to go in with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. It gives it that strong, secure hold. And y'all thought I recorded the whole thing, but I did not, so it's going to clip to after. Right now, I'm going in with my AJ Crimson Medium palette, and I like to use this product. A little bit goes a long way. I mainly do it on the hairline, and then I kind of drag it out. With this product, a little bit does go a long way. So you'll see me trying to take a little bit and I'll kind of drag it out all over. I don't like too much going in the back. I just mainly want to focus on the front part. So now I'm just taking my Bold Hold Skin Protect and I'm just going to dab that across her hairline where I will be applying the glue. Using this product helps your install last longer, and it also protects the skin. So now I'm just going to take the wig and I'm just going to place it onto her head. And the reason why I do that is because I want to see where I want to lay it. Now that the skin protect is dry, I'm going to go in with my lace glue. I'm using the Bold Hold Active Burst. This is the Alonzo Arnold edition, and I just like to take a little bit and drag it out. On this install, I'm going to be doing 4 layers. Now that my glue has turned clear, I am going to place the lace onto the glue. Right here, I'm just combing the hair back. You don't want any hairs in the way because it will get stuck on that glue. Now I'm just pulling it forward to make sure that I have the lace aligned with the glue to where I want to tack it down. And as you see, I'm just holding it into place, making sure it's in place, and I'm going to comb the lace into the glue. So I'm just combing it right here before I cut all the excess lace off, but you just want to make sure that it's pressed into that glue real good. I know y'all looking at this video like we can still see the lace. You can see that white line. It's a method to my madness, y'all. And when it comes to HD lace, I do not like to tint it before putting it on. But later in the video, you will see how I get rid of that white line, and it's gonna look seamless, I promise. Now I'm going in with my Ebin lace melt. I like to spray this on my finger and just dab it across the hairline, because this product, it can get a little bit messy, but it works so good. That's why I just like to spray it on my finger and dab it across the hairline. After applying my lace melt spray, I'm going in with my melting band because we want to make sure that that lace is melted into that glue. We want to give scalp, and this is the process to getting it. I usually leave my melt band on for about 10 minutes, but most of the time I do like leaving it on while I'm styling the hair. And in this video, I'm going to keep it on while styling her hair. Here I'm just combing all the hair out. I like to start in the front, and we're just gonna bust this thing on down. We just doing a bone straight silky look. So if you have any questions about how I flat iron the hair, leave comments down below and I will gladly share them. Right here you see I just used my hairspray before going in with my flat iron, and then I just press. And I always do one pass, sometimes two, but mainly one pass. Now that I'm at the top, you see me just doing that last pass going down. And the reason why I like to start in the front is because I want my client to see what I'm doing before I do the back so they can feel comfortable. Now I'm going in with my pressing comb, making sure that that front is flat, 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 flat. I got my girl silked out, and now it's time to take that melt band off. I like to do this part real slow. And now that I took it off, that is what it looks like. And now I'm just gonna take my comb and just make sure that her middle part is actually centered in the middle. Now that I got the part where I want it, I'm just gonna take my pressing comb again and just press that hair into the side I need it to be on. Now we're gonna give it that good press. We want this install to look flat and seamless. And y'all, don't come for my elbows. I know they crunchy, I know. Now I'm going in with my lace tint to get rid of that white line. And the lace tint that I'm using is from the hair diagram. I will link everything down below that I used in this video. So now I'm just going across and dabbing it across the hairline. A little bit goes a long way. I use the shade light brown and I mix it with the caramel just to give it that natural look. Here, I'm just spraying some hairspray on my fingers to get rid of those little flyaways and place the hair in the front how I want it to place. By spraying it on your fingers, it gives you more control of what you want to do with the hair. And y'all also missed a little spot, so I'm just going in with some glue and getting that little spot that I did miss so I could press that on down. And now I'm just taking my angled brush and with some makeup, and I just want to define her part so that way she can have a bone straight bust down middle part. Now I'm taking my Clear All Color Root Touch Pen and I'm just cleaning up that part. I like to do this because I feel like it makes the part look natural. You don't want no thick part, so I feel like it helps clean up the makeup that you applied on the part as well. I sprayed some hairspray onto my hands, and now I'm just going in and putting that at the top, making sure that it's flat and silky looking. And I'm also taking my baby hairbrush just to get those little excess hairs out the way and brush them into the place that I want them to be in. I'm such a perfectionist, y'all. I just be seeing little stuff and I'm like, wait, hold on, let me fix that. So that's what you see me doing right here in these last little couple of clips. I'm taking my comb and making sure it's laying how I want it to lay. And you're going to see me take that wax stick and dab it a little bit more, just because I want it to be flat and seamless looking. This is the ending result, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this install. Thank you again so much for watching. Look how silky her hair is. This is my favorite style to do. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Thanks for watching.
Oh, hello. This is Miss Thang. In case y'all didn't know.